You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to delete files and data to free up your iCloud storage on iPhone. Open the Settings app, tap your name at the top, then tap iCloud, tap Manage Account Storage or Manage Storage. You'll see a list of what's using your space, like photos, backups, and app data. To delete items, tap on a category. For example, tap Photos and you can disable iCloud Photos or tap Disable and Delete. Be careful as this removes photos from iCloud but keeps them on your device if download and keep originals is on. For backups, tap Backups, select a device backup and tap Delete Backup. To clear app data, tap an app from the list. Then tap Delete Data. This removes its documents and data from iCloud but not from your iPhone. Review and delete old messages in iCloud by managing messages in the same storage list. After deleting data, it may take a moment for your available storage to update. This process helps you reclaim space without deleting items from your iPhone directly. For more simple iCloud management tutorials, subscribe to the channel.